Get in. Where are your people at in Los Santos?
It's just my cousin there, Lloyd. He's bumped in with his girlfriend in some place called Vespucci Beach. So, what's your stop?
Family's important. Not as important as the man that's employed you, mentored you, and fed you amphetamines this last year, but it's important. We gotta pay this. Ow! We gotta pay this cousin a visit.
I ain't seen him in a while, Trevor.
All the more reason to drop by.
Okay, that might be nice, but where are we stopping on the way?
For fuck's sakes! Another chapter of the lost descended on this fine town. Looking to mourn, maybe revenge their dead. I was thinking me and you could pay our respects.
Trevor, I don't think we'd be welcome there. I mean, what do you want to, well, send them on their way to begin with?
Grief has a beautiful way of bringing folk together, Wade. Just you wait. And besides, I brought them gifts.
Something nice? Like flowers or a cake?
Shut up. The Lost Camp. Ooh, I got some fond memories of this place.
Normalement on n'a pas de feu de bon.
Assholes here. They slipped. Ice took a hold of this whole place. You lost it. Oh, yeah, I got the ghost. We'll find that motherfucker.
I got you them bombs and that pistol with the thing that makes you quiet on it.
Yeah, I took them. Those are my gifts for these pricks. Wait here. Don't get killed.
I'll try not to get killed.
O nie. Jaki to był